little kick. Woo!
Giving it a little tap.
Ready?
Ready. You know, maybe you should hit it with a hammer.
No. That's not what's needed. What's needed is a little throttle, but the sticking plates are gonna.
You got a little popping going on there.
Yeah. Good. We're disturbing some wasps. We see
Yes, I know. All of a sudden they showed up, didn't they?
Yeah, they're probably in the exhaust pipe.
You know. Yeah. Yeah, I wasn't expecting that. Yeah, I think that carburetor just needs work to keep it running. Huh?
Float. The needle and seat might be stuck, but it wasn't before.
Right.
So I don't know why it would be now.